So hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram error problem. First thing, go to the settings, go to the apps. When you open the apps right here, you will find all the apps that you have in your phone. So all what you wanna do is scroll until you find Instagram and click on it, and then click on data usage. Make sure to enable all these four options right here, and then go back again, click on permissions. Make sure to enable every single permission right here, and then click on force stop. After that, go back into the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.